All right, guys, warm up today. We're going to finish up with adding, subtracting, multiplying complex numbers, putting it all together. From our packet, we're going to do page 3, question number 9, which says 5 minus 2i times 2 plus 7i minus 2i times 3i squared. And then page 5, number 30, it's got negative 6i times 8 minus 6i times negative 8 minus 8i. And we're going to put all this together and finish off with our complex numbers unit. So when I'm looking at this question right here, I obviously want to take care of multiplication first. There's 2 parts to it. So I'm going to take care of the box method here because we've got 2 binomials multiplied together. So here, we've got 5 minus 2i. We got 2 and 7i right here. This gets me 10. This gets me negative 4i. This gets me 35i. And this one right here gets me negative 14i squared. We know that I squared is negative 1, so it changes this sign from negative 14 to positive 14. We're going to combine our like terms here, and that's going to get me 31i. And then we're going to combine our like terms here, which is 10 and 14, 24. So I'm going to take that and bring it down. I've got 31, or I've got 24 plus 31i. I'm going to need this for later because I still have to take care of this part. So I'm going to do that on the side in purple. So I've got negative 2i times 3i squared, and we have to take care of order of operations first. 3i squared is 3 squared I squared, so now I have negative 2i times 3 squared I squared. It's a law of exponents. When I'm separated by a parentheses, you distribute the exponent to the missing ones. So we have our first power right there. That's where it distributes. So here I've got negative 2 times I times 9 times I squared. Put everything together, I've got negative 18. And then I've got 1, 2, 3 i's, I to the third power. And I to the third power is equal to negative I. So I've got negative 18 times negative I, which is going to give me 18i. This is going to come up right here. So plus 18i. And now I'm going to combine my numbers together. And that's going to give me 24 plus 49i. This takes addition, subtraction, multiplication, puts it all together at the same time. The next question, it's all multiplication. So if I have an opportunity to do box method, I will. But if I can distribute before I do that, I think it makes it easier. So what I'm going to do is take the negative 6i, distribute it here, and that's going to get me negative 48i plus 36i squared. And now here I've got negative 8 minus 8i. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and simplify this part if I can. I know that 36i squared is just going to become negative 36, which will pull out in front of this one. So now I've got negative 36 minus 48i. I'm going to multiply that by negative 8 and negative 8i. So we're going to have some big numbers here. I don't have those memorized. So now I'm going to go ahead and do box method here. I've got big box, big numbers. Here I've got negative 36 minus 48i. Here I've got negative 8 minus 8i. I've got 36 times 8. Gives me 288. Okay, I've got negative 48 times 8 times negative 8. Gives me 384. I. 36 times negative 8, that's going to give me 288. I. And then I've got 48 times 8 again, so all those numbers again, it's going to stay the same. So I've got 300 and 84I squared, which makes it negative 384. So now I've got my like terms I need to combine together here. That's going to be 384 plus 288. We got 672I. And then here I've got 288 minus 384, which is negative 96. So my final answer here is negative 96 plus 672I. And then we had our like terms. Our other set of like terms were these two, and we combine those together to get our answer. That is as complex as it's going to get when it comes to the test that we'll take in a couple weeks. That takes care of your warm-up.